So today, once again, we are solving the problems concerned to tangents and normals. So in this case, in this problem, we are going to find the equation of the tangents. So read the question here. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, and second part is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equal to 13. So here you are asked to find the equation of tangent. So find the equation of tangent. So once again, we know that to find the equation of tangent, we required the point of contact, that is tangent point, and the slope. If we know the slope and tangent points, then using slope point formula, easily we can find the equation of the tangent. So since in first problem, the tangent is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So we know that the slopes of the parallel lines are always equal. So therefore, using this condition, the line parallel to the tangent is 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. First find the slope of the line, then equate it to dy by dx. So therefore, we get the value of x, and after finding this, put in the given equation, we can get the value of y, that is x comma y. So then slope is also available, point is now obtained, so equation of the tangent will be obtained as said previously. So therefore, first I will write the given equation. So that is y equal to x square plus 2x plus 7, differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx equal to 2x minus 2. So let us call this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So here for the first part, the equation of line is 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, slope of line m equal to minus a upon b, that is minus of 2 upon minus 1, this equal to plus 2. Slope of the line is 2. Therefore, we know the slope this equal to 2. So therefore, 2 becomes slope of tangent also equal to 2, because tangent is parallel to line. So therefore 2 becomes 2 equal to 2x minus 2. Therefore 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. So here x value is equal to 2. So now to find the value of y, so substitute this x equal to 2 in the equation 1. Therefore 1 becomes y equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2, 2x plus 7, 4 minus 4 plus 7, this equal to 7. Therefore y equal to 7. So here x is equal to 2, y equal to 7, and slope also equal to 2. So therefore slope m equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 7. So therefore equation of tangent is y minus y1 m into bracket x minus x1. Therefore y minus y1 is here 7 m into bracket. So this is obtained point, that is x1 y1 becomes 2 comma 7. You should not confuse with this x and y. This is general point. So x1 y1 means the values. So that is m is equal to 2 x minus 2. Therefore y minus 7 2x minus 4. So writing in the standard form 2x minus y. So this 7 comes to RHS, therefore this becomes 3. This equal to 0. So therefore 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of the line parallel to the given line. And now for second part. Second part is here, perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equal to 13. 5y minus 15x equal to 13. 5y minus 15x equal to 13. So the given line. So the tangent is perpendicular to this one. So therefore the tangent slope is negative reciprocal of this line. So first we have to find the slope of the given line. So I will write in the standard form 15x minus 5y plus 13 equal to 0. Therefore slope of line is equal to minus of a upon b, minus a is 15, b is minus 5, this equal to 3. Therefore this is the slope of line. Line is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore slope of tangent is equal to, that is m equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So here, so this slope is equal to the tangent slope. So that is minus 1 by 3 is the slope of tangent. So therefore once again we know that slope equal to minus 1 by 3. Then equation 2 becomes, therefore equation 2 becomes dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. Therefore this equal to minus 1 by 3, 2x minus 2. Therefore 2 minus 1 by 3 equal to 2x. So this equal to, therefore 6 minus 1 is 5 by 3 equal to 2x. Therefore x equal to 5 by 6. X value is 5 by 6. Now we have to find the corresponding equation of corresponding value of the y for 5 by 6. Therefore to find value of y, put this value in the equation 1. Equation 1 becomes, that is y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Therefore put x equal to 5 by 6. Therefore y equal to 5 by 6 bracket square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. So this equal to 25 by 36 minus 10 by 6 plus 7. So into 6 into 36. So therefore 25 minus 60, 36 into 7, 252 plus 252 divided by 36. So therefore 252 plus 25, 277 minus 60, that is 217 by 36. This is value of y. So therefore, for x equal to 5y6 and for y equal to 217 by 36 and slope is equal to minus 1 by 3, we have to find the equation of the tangent. Therefore, for x equal to 5y6, y equal to 217 by 36 and m equal to minus 1 by 3, equation of tangent is y minus y1, y minus y1 is 217 by 36, m minus 1 by 3, x minus x1 is 5 by 6. Therefore, take this LCM, 36y minus 217 by 36, this equal to minus 6x. So this LCM plus 5 divided by this is 18, 18 ones are 18 twos are. Therefore, 36y minus 217. So this is minus 12x plus 10. Therefore, 12x minus 36y. So 217, 227. 227 equal to 0. 12x minus 36y minus 227 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. I will write this equation here. So that is, bring this 12x to LHS. 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. So minus 12x becomes plus 12x and plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0 is the required answer. So this is minus here, 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line. So next question. Show that the tangents to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the point x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. So once again, the simple concept it is, we know that for the parallel line the slopes are equal. So therefore, differentiate this equation, find dy by dx and find slope, that is at x equal to 2 find slope and find slope at x equal to minus 2 also. If these two are equal, then we can say that the tangents are parallel. So therefore, y equal to 7x cube plus 11, as in the case differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx equal to 21x square for x equal to 2. Therefore, dy by dx at x equal to 2 or m equal to 21 into 2 square, that is 84. For x equal to minus 2, dy by dx at x equal to minus 2. It is, so let us call this is m1 and this is m2. 21 minus 2 square, this also equal to 24. Therefore, m1 equal to m2. So this implies the tangents are tangents at x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. So this is simple case. So this much is sufficient.